Hello, welcome to Stay Home, Eat Great. It's summertime, the kids are home. What do kids like? They like hot dogs, burgers, spaghetti, pizza. Well, today on Stay Home, Eat Great, I'm going to try a low-carb version of pizza. Joining me today are my two younger children. I have three. My children are named
Marissa and Jacob.
All right, Marissa and Jacob. Marissa's 10, Jacob's 11. So today, as I was saying, we're doing these low-carb pizzas. We're going to be baking them in our oven, and we're going to be using
Eggplant.
So why don't we have a look at our ingredients?
Our ingredients for a low-carb pizza are eggplant and Italian seasoning, pizza sauce, pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese.
All right, so we have washed our eggplant, and I'm going to start off by cutting it into slices, and then I'm putting it on this cookie sheet here for us to arrange and assemble. So if this is your first time seeing an eggplant, this is what it looks like on the inside. See that? See how beautiful that is? So purple. Just a really nice color. So what we want to do is just start assembling these as such. Next, I'm going to get help from my son Jacob. Jacob's going to put pizza sauce over each one of these. I'll do the first one and he can copy me, right?
Yes.
All right, Jacob. Here's the first one. You just want to go like this and cover it up pretty good, okay? I know how you like sauce. All right. You do the rest of them.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to put a little bit of this seasoning here, this Italian seasoning. So I'm going to put it on my hand first because I don't want to put too much. Just a little bit on each one. Now I'm going to ask my daughter Marissa to come over here alongside me and put the mozzarella cheese on each one. Do you like cheese?
Yeah.
Well, then do it like you like cheese. Alright, and parents, if you do this with your kids, don't let them near the knife. We're going to get these pepperonis here. We're going to cut them in fours or cut them in halves. Alright. Remember, a sharp knife is a safe knife. All you got to do is keep your fingers out of the way. Now back to our assembly. So we're going to put this in our oven, 350. It's been 25 minutes. We're going to have a look at our eggplant pizza here, our low carb. Here you go. Wow, look at that. Very nice looking. We're going to zoom in. Let's get a look at this here. Alright, so now I'm going to try it and I'm going to have my kids try it as well. Alright, so here we go, guys. Each of you get a fork, get a piece. Go. I picked mine up with my hand. There you go. Hey, what do you think, Jake?
It has a tiny sweet taste that tastes odd. So
Would you try it again? Would you recommend this to kids that are trying to maybe not eat so much bread?
yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Did it pica or anything?
No.
No? It just tastes kind of soft, but the sauce is kind of sweet. But that's the sauce. I mean, you can make your own sauce. You can try different things, okay?
Yeah, it feels weird, but it tastes good.
It tastes good right here.
Yeah, I'm
Get
not supposed.
another piece. So this is what our pizza looks like. And I'm just folding it in half like a taco. I think it's very filling. If you're looking for a pizza, a replacement for pizza, replacement for bread, and I definitely eat this again. I wouldn't hesitate doing it. I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a low carb solution to pizza, you need to try these recipes that I made today. Everything is very good. I even took some to my neighbors to try it out and they really enjoyed it. So why don't you give this a try around this time as we're hunkered down. Just trying every week to bring healthy or tasty recipes to you so you can try them at home. If these recipes have benefited you, why don't you help me out by helping my channel grow? As my channel grows, more and more people are able to benefit from these recipes, but not without your help. So thank you so much, all you guys that keep egging me on. So together, let's stay home and eat great. I want to thank Caleb, who's behind the camera today. I want to thank Marisa and Jacob, who helped me with the eggplant pizza. I'm Steve Lopez. God bless you and be safe.